Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I've been using these babies right here. These are the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powders. So if you're interested in seeing how I've been using these products, then just keep watching. Okay, so in case you weren't aware, Colourpop has recently launched their foundation line, and at the same time they launched their foundations, they also came out with a sheer pressed powder and also the loose setting powders. And so I did pick up a couple of the loose setting powders. They only come in 3 shades, so you can choose from translucent, banana, or deep. And so I chose the banana powder and deep. Now the website says this is deep, but then the packaging calls it medium deep, so I'm gonna go with medium deep. So for this video, I'm going to show you how I have been using these powders. I had to repurpose the medium deep powder just because it's not a good color match for me, and it was too dark for me to set my whole face with it. So I'm just going to show you how I've been using this, and so if someone else purchased it and feels like they can't really use it as a whole face setting powder, then hopefully this will be a nice little tip that will help you out so you don't feel like you're out $9. And yes, I should probably mention these are $9 on the website at Colourpop. Okay, so first I'm going to clip my hair out of the way, and I'm going to put on some lip gloss. Okay, so I'm just going to get right into it and stop rambling. So the first thing that I'm going to do, that I have been doing, is using the Colourpop concealer. So I'm just gonna be bronzing my forehead. This is a shade darker than my skin tone, so I use it as a bronzer. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheek area also. I love this Colourpop concealer. So I'm just going to blend out this concealer. And you guys, I am not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be. I just want to show you guys what I do, what works for me, and hopefully it can help someone else. And so once I get that blended out, then I like to drag it down along the temples and onto my cheeks. And I love how well this Colourpop concealer blends out. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to be setting this concealer with the setting powder in the medium deep color. And I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. brush, and this is just a regular powder brush. So I'm just going to shake some down into the container. I'm going to try to not make a mess here. Okay, this powder is very finely milled, and so you'll notice that a little bit goes quite a long way. Okay, so now that I have my face bronzed, I'm going to go in with the banana powder here. I'm just going to tap it in here and tap off the excess. And I'm going to put this in the T-zone area. So on my forehead, and I'm really just trying to press that into my skin. I love using a banana powder. I love a good banana powder. Okay. And I'm gonna grab a bit more of that, drag it down the center of my nose. Onto the Cupid's bow and onto my chin. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna tap a little bit on my eyelids. Just to kind of brighten up that area, and see how it just kind of brightens up the center of your face. That's what we're going for. Okay, now I'm just going to be blending all this together. I'm taking this face brush by e.l.f. also, and I'm going to brush away the excess of the banana powder. Just any excess product, I'm just gonna blend it all together and see how it just kind of cohesively comes together. This video is about the setting powders, and if you ask my opinion on the setting powders, I think they're pretty good. I mean, I just used that banana powder in the center of my face and it just brightened it up just enough, not too much. I don't look over highlighted, and it's just enough for me, for my skin tone. So if you're looking for a good banana powder, I would try the Colourpop setting powder in the color Banana. And as far as the medium deep setting powder, I really like it as a bronzer. I guess I can take these clips out of my hair now. Okay. So yes, as far as the medium deep loose setting powder, I do really like it as a bronzer. Now when the weather gets cooler, this may be a little too warm for me, so I may have to put it up and save it for springtime. But as of right now, for the summer, these two together are a win for me. So I would highly suggest, if you're on the hunt for a banana powder, or if you're looking for a good setting powder, or if you're, you know, maybe a shade or two darker than me, then you could possibly use this as, you know, an all-over setting powder for its intended purpose. But yeah, I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on these. At least go to the Colourpop website and check it out. They do have a lot of other items on there. They're launching new things all the time. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and that will let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would love for you to come back for more of my videos. For my returning subscribers, I see you, I appreciate you. Yeah, I appreciate you. And so I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.